Pre-workout. Just because it's raining doesn't mean you don't get it in. Get it in. Results are inevitable as long as you stay consistent. Peace. Fuck you to all the non-believers. Who needs a gym? Got a gym at home, baby. I mean, look at me. Shiny face. Guys, I'm drunk. God, this is terrible. Hi. Post-workout. Gotta feed the muscles. Muscle milk, baby. Best in the world. Helps combat exercise-induced muscle inflammation. After a workout, late at night before you go to bed, you take one of these babies. This is how they look like. This will be my dose for tonight. There you go. Just one. All natural. No chemical bullshit. And it works. Workout is done. If you don't look this shitty after a workout, then you didn't work out. I decided not to go out there to do my run or my workout routine because it's raining. I'm privileged enough to have a gym here at home. Now I'm lamping out, relaxing. Watching some Ion TV. I love my cop shows on my 56 Samsung flat screen. Because I got it like that. I'm feeling fabulous, y'all. Peace. Ow! Herbalife nutrition is #1. Stay branded, my peoples. Stay branded. Spread the word.